guys.
Hmm.
So nagdula na kog to kaboka kay nakuha na ko tanan pack.
Ayun. Unsa imong giin no?
Gikapin ako akong balay diha.
Make over na po ka?
Sino ka over? Bago ni na
Ika
balay
gikopya?
kids. 5-star hotel.
Wow.
This is 5-star hotel. So let's put that there. And then you place a carpet which is from here. This carpet. This carpet. That's good. And then now what's okay. So what's that? This there.
Sikapya?
And then the unggoy.
What's that? Unggoy-unggoy.
The unggoy. There.
Where's the unggoy? Wala may unggoy.
Tara,
Where's...
oh.
Aw.
Gigunitan ako. Okay, and then next we put this here. Ito ba na? Lagyan na ito niya. Let's put another toy because there's another toy there. Ay, toy di ay. Sama na eh!
Patay.
Ay. Pwede ito. Okay. And then we get this. Oops. This. That's one. Okay, and then I think we should throw. Oh, wait. The alligator. Ay. What's alligator?
Alligator.
Ano hindi ay kani? This giraffe. You get giraffe. So, na. Okay. We're not done with that because we still have one more painting. This alphabet 1, 2, 3, 4.
Saan na? Living room?
No, it's the bedroom. Sa bedroom mana kids.
Yung asang bed.
Tura. Boom. Nata sa carpets. Because we have to get that.
Mag-ano pa kag bed? Putang?
Kids, mga ano mana sa mga bata, kids. So next we're gonna get that. We got the carpet ready. And then na noon.
Bye sa to my guys.
Bye-bye.